From bloom to brew, discovering the chamomile plant's tranquil journey. Chamomile, a daisy-like wonder. Chamomile belongs to the aster family, Asteraceae, and is known for its daisy-like appearance. Two primary species are commonly used. German chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla. This variety is utilized in teas and herbal remedies. Roman chamomile, Chamomillum nobile, also used in teas and herbal preparations. It's a soothing and fragrant herb. German chamomile has a more pungent, stronger aroma and flavor, while Roman chamomile is milder and sweeter. Historical use and modern applications. Traditional use. Throughout history, chamomile has been treasured for its calming properties. Ancient civilizations brewed chamomile tea to ease stress, promote relaxation, and support digestion. Herbal remedies. Both German and Roman chamomile are employed in herbal remedies. Chamomile tea, made from their flowers, serves as a tonic and antiseptic. Garden ornamentals. Beyond its medicinal uses, chamomile graces gardens as an ornamental plant. The golden marguerite, also known as yellow chamomile, is a delightful garden cultivar. Chamomile's healing potential. Mayweed, stinking chamomile. Another member of the chamomile family, mayweed, Anthemis scotula, has a strong aroma. It has been historically used in medicines and insecticides. Research. Ongoing studies explore chamomile's potential benefits, including its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Medicinal extracts. Species and uses. Matricaria chamomilla, also known as German chamomile, is an annual plant used to make chamomile tea. It's distinguished from similar species by its aromatic, apple-like fragrance and white ray flowers. Growth and harvest. Chamomile grows quickly from seed, producing erect, branched stems and finely divided leaves. Flowers should be harvested near full bloom for best quality. Ornamental use. Besides its use as an herb, chamomile can be integrated into ornamental beds and borders, adding aesthetic value to gardens. Roman chamomile, Chamomillum nobile. Appearance and fragrance. Roman chamomile is a low-growing perennial herb with finely divided, feathery leaves. Its daisy-like flowers have white ray petals surrounding a yellow center. The plant emits a soothing, apple-like fragrance when crushed. Traditional. Roman chamomile has a rich history of use in traditional medicine and herbal remedies. It is renowned for its calming properties, making it a popular choice for teas and infusions. The gentle aroma promotes relaxation and eases stress. Medicinal benefits. Like its German counterpart, Roman chamomile is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may aid in digestive health and support overall well-being. Garden ornamental. beyond its medicinal uses, Roman chamomile graces gardens as an ornamental plant. Its delicate flowers add charm to borders, rock gardens, and herb beds. Chamomile, an herb that belongs to the Asteraceae, daisy or sunflower, plant family, has been used as a traditional medicine for thousands of years. Let's explore some of its benefits. Calming anxiety and settling stomachs. Historically, people have used chamomile to calm anxiety and soothe upset stomachs. In ancient Rome, Greece, and Egypt, dried chamomile flowers and their essential oils were used as a medicinal herb. Today, two common types of chamomile are German chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla, and Roman or English chamomile, Chamomillum nobile. Chamomile is available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, liquid extracts, oils, and herbal tea. Benefits. Ease anxiety. Improve sleep quality. Help with chest colds, gum inflammation, sore throats, and gastrointestinal issues. Aid in skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and minor burns. Act as a mild sedative to promote better sleep. Boost immune function. Boost immune function. Boost immune function. Improve emotional well-being. Support skin health, teeth, and hair. Calming effect. In our bodies, chamomile has a profound calming effect. The chamomile plant can be used in various ways to harness its beneficial properties. Chamomile tea. One of the most popular ways to use chamomile is by brewing it into a tea. Simply steep a teaspoon of dried chamomile flowers or 1 chamomile tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and drink. Chamomile tea can be consumed plain or sweetened with honey, lemon, or other flavorings. Chamomile oil. Chamomile essential oil can be diluted with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or almond oil, and applied directly to the skin to soothe irritation, inflammation, and promote wound healing. Chamomile compress. Steep chamomile flowers in hot water, soak a clean cloth in the infused water, wring out excess liquid, and apply the damp cloth as a compress to irritated or inflamed skin. Chamomile bath. Add chamomile tea bags or dried chamomile flowers to your bath water for a soothing and relaxing soak. This can help calm irritated skin and promote relaxation. Inhalation. Inhaling the steam from chamomile tea or chamomile essential oil can help alleviate congestion, calm the mind, and promote relaxation. You can achieve this by brewing chamomile tea and inhaling the steam, or adding a few drops of chamomile essential oil to a bowl of hot water and inhaling the steam. Mouth rinse. Chamomile tea can be used as a mouth rinse to soothe oral irritations, such as mouth ulcers or sore gums. Allow the tea to cool to room temperature before using it as a mouth rinse. Hair rinse. Chamomile tea can be used as a hair rinse to enhance shine and lighten hair color naturally. Brew a strong chamomile tea, allow it to cool, and then pour it over clean hair as a final rinse after shampooing. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing with water. Herbal steam. Add dried chamomile flowers to a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam for respiratory relief and relaxation. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.